In this video, I'm going to show you how to create or make a poll on Twitter. So if you want to ask your followers on Twitter some questions, then you can use poll approach to ask them for their opinion. So here you learn the steps that you need to take to create or make poll on Twitter or X. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when you want to make a poll on Twitter, all you need to do is open the Twitter application or X application on your device. Now, click on this tweet icon. Once you selected that, select post. You'll be prompted to post what you have in mind. Now come to these two lines, and click on it. Then you can say ask a question. So we cannot say Champion League winner. So Champions League winners. So league winner. So here we may suggest Real Madrid. And this one is Borussia Dortmund. Then come here and select the poll length. So once you select the poll length, you're prompted to select the length. Here, I just want this poll to run for, let's say, 3 hours. Then click on set button. Then you can see 1 day, 3 hours. Then here, let me set 0 day. Then this is going to run for 3 hours. Come here and select who you want to see this poll. Do you want everyone or your community member? Here, I want everyone. Then who can reply? Everyone can reply. You say that's who can reply. Now that is it. Once you're done creating this poll, click on post. Once you hit the post button, you should see your post was created and open it. Then you say this is the poll. Your followers cannot come here and participate in the poll. So this is how you can easily create poll on Twitter. If this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.